Greetings, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome to Cloud Setup by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the simplicity of setting up Salesforce Service Cloud in the most straightforward way possible. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're embarking on a step-by-step journey to bring the magic of Service Cloud to your fingertips. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to test your Service Cloud setup prowess. Podcast episode, Service Cloud Simplicity, a step-by-step guide to setting up Salesforce Service Cloud. Next topic. Let's dive into the cloud and start our journey by understanding the basics of setting up Salesforce Service Cloud. Segment 1. Cloud Kickoff: Understanding the Basics of Salesforce Service Cloud Setup. Setting up Service Cloud is like preparing a stage for a magic show. You want everything in place to create a seamless and delightful experience. The first step is to navigate to the Salesforce setup and locate the Service Cloud features. Example 1. Imagine you're the magician, and your customers are eagerly awaiting a magic show. The Salesforce setup is your backstage, where you gather all the tools you need: cases for inquiries, knowledge articles for quick solutions, and automated workflows to make the magic happen. Implementation insights. To start the setup, log into your Salesforce account, go to the Setup menu, and find the Service Cloud features. Customize the case object to match your customer inquiry process, create knowledge articles to provide quick solutions, and set up automated workflows to streamline your service processes. Next topic. Now that we've set the stage, let's move on to connecting the dots within Service Cloud. Segment 2. Cloud Connections: Creating Relationships within Salesforce Service Cloud. Service Cloud is like a web of connections, linking cases, contacts, and accounts seamlessly. Let's ensure that the magic happens by creating these relationships within Service Cloud. Example 2. Picture a scenario where a customer raises a case, inquiry, about a product. That case is connected to the contact, the customer, and, in turn, linked to the account, the business. This creates a magical web of information, ensuring that your customer service team has a holistic view of customer interactions. Implementation insights. To create these magical connections, customize the relationships between cases, contacts, and accounts in Salesforce. Leverage the platform's flexibility to ensure that information flows seamlessly, creating a unified view of customer interactions. Next topic. Now that we've connected the dots, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering Salesforce Service Cloud Setup. Interview insights: Salesforce Service Cloud Setup Mastery questions. Question 1. What are the key steps in setting up Salesforce Service Cloud? Answer 1. The key steps in setting up Salesforce Service Cloud include navigating to the Salesforce setup, customizing the case object, creating knowledge articles, and setting up automated workflows. Question 2. How do relationships between cases, contacts, and accounts enhance the Service Cloud setup? Answer 2. Relationships between cases, contacts, and accounts create a unified view of customer interactions within Service Cloud. This ensures that customer service teams have comprehensive information to provide personalized support. Question 3. Why is customization important in Service Cloud Setup? Answer 3. Customization in Service Cloud Setup is crucial to tailor the platform to the unique needs of your business. It allows you to create a setup that aligns with your specific customer service processes. Next topic. Now, let's challenge your Salesforce Service Cloud setup mastery with a quiz. Quiz: test your Salesforce Service Cloud setup mastery. Question 1. What is the first step in setting up Salesforce Service Cloud? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The first step in setting up Salesforce Service Cloud is to navigate to the Salesforce setup. Question 2. Why are relationships between cases, contacts, and accounts important in Service Cloud setup? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Relationships between cases, contacts, and accounts are important in Service Cloud setup to create a unified view of customer interactions. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up Salesforce Service Cloud, bringing the magic of seamless customer service to your fingertips. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce setup adventures.